Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. So I got a request from Jennifer Harrison, and it's Teaks, "Never Be Apart." Now I'm a fan of Teaks. I like that kind of nostalgic, uh, soulful, 50s, 60s, early 60s kind of street corner vibe, and that's what I get out of this young man. And I hope he I hope he survives, the business and entertains us for many, many years. But this one's called, like I said, "Never Be Apart." So let's get into the intro and right into the video. Yeah, I like it already.
I watched you slip away through my fingers when you left. Oh, you took away some part of me I think I needed. Though the pain in my heart, you'll always be part of me. And wherever I go, I'll always know that you're near. In the tears from my eyes, in the stars in the sky, in the depth of my thoughts, I will find you. In the morning sun, in the place we were young, in the wind on my skin, I will find you, and we'll never be apart.
All right, man. Yeah. So this kid, this one's fire, man. I really like this one, Jennifer. And I've said this before on this channel. You may remember, you may not. I don't know, but the purest form of bass to me is the upright bass. Some people call it a stand-up bass, but man, you can just feel that in your bones, and it always is my favorite when it comes to a stand-up or upright bass to an electric bass or acoustic bass that is on somebody's lap. I always prefer the stand-up bass, and it, to me, it brings a lot to the song, and this kid is just and this whole you know vibe is really cool, man.
And at night I pray just to see your face in my dreams, in my dreams. Though the pain in my heart, you'll always be part of me.
Listen to those backup singers.
And wherever I go, I'll always know that you're near. In the tears from my eyes, in the stars in the sky, in the depth of my thoughts, I will find you. In the morning sun, in the place we were young, in the wind on my skin, I will find you, and we'll never be
Very, very, very cool, man. Teaks. Jennifer says this is another Teaks early classic, Never Be Apart. It's a song about losing someone. I apologize. I didn't see that when I first loaded this up. But thanks for that comment, Jennifer. It helps kind of frame this song and this this genre in where it should be, I think. All right, y'all. That's going to do it for me. That was very, very, very good. Definitely going to listen to it again. And yeah, man, till I see y'all again, I'll catch you down the road. Bye, y'all.